रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज की इस वीडियो में पीपीएससी के पास्ट पेपर के नेक्स्ट 50 एमसीक्यू सॉल्व करेंगे। शुरू करते हैं 51 एमसीक्यू से। एन एक्सट्रीमली स्मॉल पीस ऑफ सिलिकॉन ऑन विच इंटीग्रेटेड सर्किट्स आर फैब्रिकेटेड आर कॉल्ड। ऑप्शन ए चिप, ऑप्शन बी कार्ड रीडर, ऑप्शन सी फीड, ऑप्शन डी होलरेथ कोड। Correct option is A, chip. The time taken by light to reach the earth is, option B is correct, 8 minutes 15 seconds. The shape of our Milky Way galaxy is spiral. Option B is correct. The coldest planet of our solar system is Neptune. BIMAN is an airline of Bangladesh. 1838 parallel lines is a boundary line between South Korea and North Korea. Oxygen by volume has presence in the atmosphere of about 21%. The brightest planet in the solar system is Venus. The planet with shortest daytime is जुपिटर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। नादरीन, अगर आप पीपीएससी के पास्ट पेपर को पढ़ना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब करें। इस चैनल में पीपीएससी के पास्ट पेपर को सॉल्व किया जाता है। शुक्रिया। डायनामाइट वाज डिस्कवर्ड बाय। डायनामाइट बारूद को दरियाफ्त करने वाले कौन थे? अल्फ्रेड नोबल। हाउ फार इज़ द डेड सी बिफोर मेडिटरेनियन सी? 400 meters. Laws of heredity was discovered by Mendel. Nobel Prize in Physics was awarded to Dr. Abdul Salam in the year 1979. The longest river is located in Africa. The highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, has been named after Colonel George Everest, who was Surveyor General of India. Stratospheric columns, who discovered America, was Italian. The annual average of flow of water in Indus River system is 110 MAF. The single biggest hydropower generating site is situated in China. The U.S. Congress and Senate raised the debt limit of U.S. government by, option C is correct, $1,500 billion. IMF and World Bank are created through Bretton Woods Agreement. Option D is correct. Moorish Kingdom of Granada, Spain surrendered to Christian in the year 1492. The president of Yugoslavia, Serbia, who was indicted and tried by War Criminal Tribunal, was, option B is correct, Slobodan Milosevic. नेक्स्ट MCQs है, who was not a member of the first cabinet of Pakistan? Hussain Shahid Sohrawardi was not the member of first cabinet of Pakistan. President of Syria Bashar al-Assad is by faith Bashar al-Assad is faith Alvi. US President Barack Obama father was Kenyan. Blind dolphins are found in Ganges River. The captain of Pakistan cricket team which defeated England at the Oval in 1954 was Abdul Hafiz Kardar. The first Olympic gold medal for Pakistan was in the Summer Olympic Game of, option B is correct, 1960. When Ayub Khan took over power in 1958, the Prime Minister of Pakistan was Malik Feroz Khan Noon. The first international flight taken by PIA was taken on. Option C is correct. 1st February 1955. दी प्रेजेंट डिप्टी चेयरमैन, ये सवाल उस वक्त पेपर में पूछा गया था, ये करंट सवाल है उस वक्त का, ये ज़रूरी सवाल नहीं है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है दी कैश बैलेंस ऑफ कंपनी इज मोर देन द कैश बैलेंस ऑफ यूएस एप्पल। आफ्टर द कॉन्क्वेस्ट ऑफ पंजाब ब्रिटिशर constituted a 3-member board of administration for governing the Punjab. Indicate who was not the member among the following: Henry Lawrence, John Lawrence, Charles Minsell. ऑप्शन डी है रॉबर्ट मोंटोमरी। ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, रॉबर्ट मोंटोमरी। द फादर ऑफ मॉडर्न साइंस फिक्शन इज H.G. Wells. The office of distinct magistrate was abolished through amendment in the Code of Criminal Procedure. Option C is correct. Indian Railway started operation 1853. First international Olympic Games were held in Greek in 1896 in the month of April. The one who won Grand Slam in tennis twice, Rod Laver. Hanging gardens in Babylon were located in modern day Iraq. Hanging garden Iraq में है. The first satellite Sputnik 1 was launched in October 1957. Indicate the date. 4 October. The celebrated scientist Isaac Newton was British. Turnip is a root described as napiform. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. On 18th May 1974, India exploded first nuclear device under the code name of Operation Smiling Buddha. The poetry first written by Allama Iqbal in Persian and translated in Urdu on popular demand. Armaghan-e-Hijaz, the book Indian Muslims published in 1871, was written by William Wilson Hunter, is the writer of the book Indian Muslims. Next MCQs है Indian Rebellion of Jang-e-Azadi 1857 War of Independence began on 10th May from the town of Meerut. Last MCQs है how many Sahaba were martyred in Battle of Badr? 14. नाजरीन, अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक्स। नेक्स्ट मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट